Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the morning market stir for Friday, June the 2nd, unemployment data day. We'll get to that in just a second, but yesterday stocks were up and away, closing at all-time highs in the S&P and the NASDAQ, up about 0.75% in the S&P, 0.5% in the NDX, and the Dow is now within 25 of that elusive March 1st top. It was up 0.75% on the session as well. Gold was down $5, and crude was essentially unchanged as it pivots around that key 48 level, which is the halfway point of this recent run that we had from 44 up to 52. So, what did the numbers say? Well, the data is out, and we had less job growth than we were expecting. 138,000 jobs were added for the month when the market was looking for 185. So you're seeing some of the early futures gains being given back. In the pre-market, we saw the S&P up about 5 points. We saw the Dow futures up 75. We've come back to essentially unchanged in the S&P right now. But again, new all-time highs were made yesterday. The Dow is up about 40. The NDX is up 10. Let's talk about tech. Tech is up 20%. 20% year to date in that NDX tech sector, which has the 100 top tech companies. Looking at other markets, the news is happening here in crude oil. It's broken below 48. We're at 47 and change, 47.30, down $1.08, so that's a 2% drop. Now, last Friday, we closed at 49.80, so that's $2.50, so that's a little bit of a fall here this week. Again, it's only 4 sessions. The gold market's getting a bit of a boost, up 6, getting back to yesterday's losses at 1276 with this news data that comes out from the jobs. That's also boosted bonds. Bond prices are up, and up, new multi-month highs there, and that's pushing yields down as this is a little bit of slowdown in the employment data. So to summarize, as the cash stock market gets started in about half an hour, we're back to essentially unchanged in the S&P. NDX is up 11, new all-time highs there, and the Dow up 40. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.